time to jive. You and me, we're going out to catch the latest sounds, guaranteed to blow your mind so high you won't come down. Hey y'all, prepare yourself for the rubber band. Man, you've never heard a sound like the rubber band. Man, you're bound to lose control when the rubber band starts to jam. Oh, this dude is out of sight. Everything he does seems to come out right. Once I went to hear them play at a club outside of town. I was so surprised, I was hypnotized by the sound these cats put down. When I saw this short fat guy stretch a band between his toes, hey, I laughed so hard cause the band got down when it finally reached his nose. Hey y'all, prepare yourself for the rubber band. Whoa, man, you never heard a sound like the rubber band. Man, you're bound to lose control when the rubber band starts to jam. Got that rubber band up on his toe, and then he wriggled it up around his nose. Guaranteed to blow your mind. Playing all the music, just keeping time. Oh, Lord. Oh, help me get away. Y'all prepare yourself for the rubber. Think we can stand so much rhythm, grace, and debonair for one man? No. And then he had to really twiddle his left toe but through his knee, got the feeling in his head, y'all. Oh, come on, baby. Won't you pass